In this video I'm going to show you how to change username on Twitter. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Twitter application and next hit on your profile icon. Now here hit on settings and privacy. There select your account. Next account information. And next hit on username. Now there you are able to change your username. Just hit in new field, hit continue there, and now enter your desired username. I'll select that one, and if this name is available you will get that green check mark, and after that you can hit done, and that's it. Now you see that username was already changed, so now don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.